sudden flaking of the skin, suddenly a pimple pops out, suddenly your skin starts looking dull and dehydrated, and suddenly you get a lot of rashes and reactions on your face. Now these are the common problems which people normally experience suddenly on their face just before their wedding, just before a party, just before any special day or occasion. So in this video I will be sharing with you how to deal with such emergency skin issues and what to do and what not to do to actually take care of your skin and get rid of all these unwanted experiences. So if you're interested, keep watching this video till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanya Surana and I like to call myself a connector of possibilities. I'm a makeup artist and an educator, a bridal makeover, skin and lifestyle consultant, and I'm also a certified access consciousness practitioner as well. In this video, as I told you, that I'll be sharing how to deal with the sudden emergency skin issues in a most effective way. So I don't guarantee that 100% this will work, but normally in my experience and the way I have guided my brides in these last 13 years with these emergency issues, and also in my personal life and in my clients' regular lifestyle where they have experienced these issues, and the tips I've given them has always worked for them. So in that percentage level, I will say like 95% to 98% it always works. Rest, it is not just about the skin and outer things you do, it is also dependent on your inner health as well, and I will be covering that as well in this video. So let's first talk about pimples. Now you must have seen that people, I have seen that in most cases, people who have clear skin or who have pimples and acne prone skin. Now see, those who have acne prone skin, they usually have acne on their skin, maybe less, maybe more, but they normally have. Those who have oily skin, they sometimes have totally clear skin, sometimes they have some pimples, and in some cases who have never had any pimples, suddenly before their marriage or because of so many of changes going on in their lifestyle, they see that suddenly a pimple or two has popped up on your skin and they just freak out. Now what to do in such situations? First thing, it is very normal that when you are eating the wedding food and not sleeping well and stressing out and all that stuff, this is not something which is a big surprise to me, because yes, it might happen. Now how to deal with it? The first thing, if you're getting married or you're going to attend a wedding party of your family member or friend or whatever it is, where you don't want to entertain any pimple on your face, then please have a tea tree oil handy with you. Now when you talk about tea tree oil, I would also like to highlight that not every tea tree oil is equally effective for which tea tree oil is actually famous for. So I would recommend a tea tree oil which I'll link down in the description box below, so you can check out from there, which I personally use and recommend my clients, and a lot of my clients use. And this is something I can vouch for this because I have a oily skin, and I too come up with certain, right now also I have here, but it has suppressed. So I saw this pimple a day before yesterday, and today I don't think it is it's almost invisible. By tomorrow it will be totally gone. So tea tree oil is the best solution. Now how you will know that you're having a pimple or something like that? So before the pimples really come out, that particular area will turn little red or it will start paining. Okay, so before every night you go to sleep, you'll just run over your fingers on your face while applying the night cream and whatever you are applying, and just check if any area is having any pain. Okay, if you feel that a certain area is having pain, that means the pimple is about to come in that area. So just apply the tea tree oil so that it will not, it will just suppress it then and there. Okay, it won't come out and then you will apply. So that's a great tip to follow. Now once the pimple comes out, see, you cannot fix it instantly, you cannot cut the pimple away from that place, right? So what you can do, of course, tea tree oil, apply tea tree oil all the time. Even if you're wearing makeup, first do your skincare, apply the tea tree oil, and then do your makeup, so that even if you're wearing makeup, the tea tree oil inside will take care and will start reducing and it'll keep continuing its work, so that you don't have to wait for the night to apply the tea tree oil. So this is one thing. Second thing, what you can do is you can take an ice cube, or maybe use an ice roller. These are available online. So what you can do is you can take that ice roller and roll lightly, don't press it too much, lightly you can roll or put ice on that area where you got the pimple. This will also help in reducing the swelling of the pimple, because when it comes to pimple, that swelling thing is actually which bothers us. So yes, that is the way to take care of that swelling part, and tea tree oil. And third thing you can do with this pimple thing is pure multani mitti, nothing mixed with it. Okay, pure multani mitti has so many good properties in it, and it is very effective in suppressing the pimples. So what you can do is you can apply the tea tree oil, or what you can do is you can mix the multani mitti with rose water and put 1 drop, not more than that. Tea tree oil is very strong in nature. Just 1 drop in that and just mix that mixture, and wherever you are getting, you got that pimple, just put that kind of लेप की तरह उसको लगा के छोड़ देना है, and don't remove it. वो लगा के सो जाना है आपको. Okay, so you have to sleep with that. You don't have to make it dry, wait for it to dry out and then you will wash. Don't wash it. Create an opaque coating on your pimple, and once it dries out, just sleep like that, and throughout the night what it will do, it will draw all the toxins from the pimple and it will reduce the size of the pimples. So this is how you can fix the pimple thing. And rest, if you have any such emergencies, you can consult any doctor or someone who can give you some I personally won't recommend any medicine, because these 3 are more than good enough, because I also personally use it, and even if I'll have little bit of bump, I'm okay with it. Okay guys, please remember this, that it's okay to have pimples. No skin is same throughout the year. Okay, like recently I went to Jaipur, and because of the weather change, because Jaipur was very hot, I didn't expect it this much hot there, but it was so hot and so dry, and here in Kolkata it's so hot and humid, so it was totally opposite, and my skin was like a lot of pimples, dullness, suntan, lot of things happened on my skin. So please, let's normalize this. Okay, I'm not saying that live with it. Okay, you can certainly have, make a target of having a clear skin, that's completely fine, but don't freak out just for a pimple, because it's fine. It's your body, and your body, just like your mood, it's not the same all the time. I hope you get it. Okay, now let's talk about skin flaking. So as the winters are approaching, doesn't matter whether you have an oily skin or combination is or dry or normal, your skin will become dry, because I have extremely oily skin in the summers and I have extremely dry skin in the winters. Okay, so winters are approaching, your skin will lead to dryness, and that will definitely lead in most of the cases towards skin flaking. Now how to fix this? Now hear me out very consciously, because this is something which I have trial and tested by my own. This is not something which I have learned from somewhere. I get a lot of skin flaking around this area, around my nose, corner of the nose, around this smile line area, and on the tip of my nose. I guess if you guys have experienced, you can completely relate to me. So now this is how I fix it, and this works 100%. There is no chance that it won't work. So first thing what you can do is, whenever your skin is, whichever area your skin is flaking, take a thick moisturizer or a kind of a face balm consistency. So there is a face balm from Rasbelle which I highly recommend. I'll link that in the description box below. You must have that in winter especially. It's not a summer product, okay, it's a winter product, and if you have dry skin and have dry skin issues, that is the one go-to product which you can swear by. I swear by a lot. So what you can do is take that balm and nicely coat that area wherever your skin is flaking, okay, with the balm, or maybe a very thick moisturizer, okay, not a lotion thing, very thick moisturizer, and coat that area and massage nicely in that area. Okay, massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and then keep that as it is. Okay, your skin will not immediately absorb the entire product, because when I talk about thick creams and face balms, they're quite thick in nature, they don't get absorbed so easily. Okay, so keep it like that and sleep. Okay, and next in the morning what you have to do is take a towel, okay, take a towel, a very soft towel, and wet it. Okay, wet the towel and gently rub the towel in that area. Okay, and you will see that all the dry flakes and the skin which was flaking will come out very smoothly, and you will also notice that wherever this dryness was there and the skin came out, that area will turn little red, which is quite obvious because a thick layer of dead skin has been removed. So the fresh skin looks red. It's completely fine. What you have to do is you will again apply the face balm and the moisturizer and coat it properly and leave it like that. Okay, what it will do, it will slowly heal the skin of that area and your skin will be completely fine within a day. Okay, that's an amazing idea. And this formula, by the way, you don't need to even sleep as well. Sometimes if you are in an emergency situation and you're feeling the dryness, this even works in 2 to 3 hours as well, depending on the severity of the skin flaking issue. So this is how you will fix the skin flakes. If you have any other issues or any skin issue which you are really suffering from and you really really want to get rid of. I also do personal skin consultations. You can consult me. You can check the links below. You can follow the links and see the details about the consultation process. And you can also DM me on the Instagram handle. My team will definitely set an appointment with you, and you can get your skin consulted and see whatever, my skin consultancy process is very unique, and once you experience it, you will know how unique it is. And whatever I suggest, it's all natural, so there is no point of side effects and having nightmares with the suggestions and the products and whatever DIY recipes. I suggest everything keeping your lifestyle in mind. So no matter how busy you are, no matter where you stay, the city, the country, the climate, the weather, whatever it is, yes, it can be fixed with the help of a consultation. That's why the consultation is so important, because no brand is bad and no product is always good for you. Okay, this I say always, and I will say always, so please get that. Now let's get to the third skin issue, which is skin rashes. Now I have received few comments as well regarding suggesting how to deal with skin rashes, and I have seen this rashes thing is something which is very common. It just happens overnight and suddenly, because of the use of certain product, or sometimes people go for facials and then they get rashes. So first let me tell you what is the reason behind rashes. It can be a lot of reasons. It can be a side effect of a medicine you took, it can be a side effect of any treatment you got done, and it can be a side effect of any product you applied, it can be a side effect of heat, of excessive sweating, and it can also be a result of over scrubbing your face, it can also be a result of your period cycles, anything. Okay, so let's not go deep into each and every situation, because that comes under the consultation part and the video will be very long. So just to give you a common idea, even if you don't know what is the reason behind the skin rash, still how you can fix it is the solution which you are definitely looking for in this video. So let me tell you that. So if there is any skin rashes, the first thing you have to do is to avoid any kind of soap in that area. Any foaming product will exaggerate it a lot. Second, don't use any alcohol based products on that area. Okay, now makeup products have alcohol. Makeup is fine because the alcohol content is not that much, but skin products like skin toners and skin astringents, and there are a lot of creams as well, please avoid if it has alcohol. The second thing. The third thing is don't scrub that area. Okay, don't use any scrub or any harsh thing over that area. It will exaggerate the situation and take it to the worst level. Don't do that. Now let's come to the thing which will actually fix that. The first thing is use a rose water or something, or a vetiver water or lavender water, which actually cools down the temperature of that area and calms down the irritation, the burning sensation, the itching and all of that stuff. So hydrate your face nicely and use rose water, vetiver water or lavender water, or you can use chamomile water as well, and you can use jasmine as well. So any of these water will do. If you want any of these waters and you are not confident enough where to find it, I will link all that in the description box below, so you can check out from there. I personally use also from Resbelle. You can also try it, and they are purely authentic floral hydrosols and they work wonderfully on your skin. So this is how you can do it. Now what you can also do it, use ice. Cold compress is the thing which is the first thing you have to do if you get any rashes. Use ice cubes wrapped in a muslin cloth, or use ice rollers. That will, what will do, it will calm down, it will soothe down, it will cool down that area, and it will reduce the redness and the swelling, because rashes is all about redness and swelling. So these two will be taken care of. So cold compress or applying ice cube is the first thing which I'll suggest. Second, you can also use any cooling gel like aloe vera gel or cucumber gel. You can use that and coat that area with gel. So slowly and steadily your skin will absorb the gel, and that's how you will see the texture happen due to the rashes will also reduce simultaneously. And in a lot of the cases, people also suggest using tea tree oil and lavender oil. See, tea tree oil I won't suggest on a general basis, because sometimes the rashes are very burning, it has a lot of burning and itching sensation. So tea tree oil might help, because tea tree oil is very strong in its own nature. So I won't suggest tea tree oil. Maybe you can try it out, but lavender oil is a good option. Lavender oil or little bit of peppermint oil mixed, essential oil mixed with it will also help you a lot, because peppermint is especially effective in reducing the swelling in any part of your body. So yes, it can also help. And when you're applying tea tree already has that peppermint property in it. So yes, that's how it helps as well. So last but definitely not the least, let's talk about skin dullness. So a lot of times you have seen that because of so much stress and pressure of work and balancing work and personal life and this wedding stress and all, whatever stress it is, whatever reason maybe it is, you know, you will see that a lot of skin dullness happens, and that's very common in almost every people. You will say that today your skin is fine, tomorrow your skin is suddenly dull, and then again fine, again dull. So how to fix that, you know? Because one thing is for sure, once your skin starts looking dull, even makeup, you know, yes, of course makeup can fix it to a lot, like to a greater extent, but it won't, you know, take away that dullness, that you know, that low feeling on your skin, on your face. No, it can't fix that. So for that, first thing is please try to sleep. I know this might sound like, oh please come on, we are not getting time to even breathe, how can we sleep properly? Okay, I get that, but still I'm telling you that you can take out some time and sleep, okay? Literally sleep without thinking, without worrying about anything else. The second thing is please hydrate yourself well. A lot of times because of low hydration levels, your skin really starts looking dull. So please hydrate from inside and outside. So from inside, of course, through water and fruits and juices. From outside, please use a good face mist. Toner is of course there for following the normal, the CTM routine, the cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine, of course there, but a face mist is something which you can use any time on your face to, you know, give that hydration boost from outside as well. Okay, now the third thing which really takes the game of this entire, you know, hydration to a next level is applying a sheet mask. So when it comes to sheet masks, there are plenty of options in the market, but I will suggest you go for, you know, buy some sheet masks and keep it with you, especially which are high in moisture level and has hyaluronic acid, because that will intensely and deeply hydrate your skin and boost your skin and bring that plumpness back to your skin, and that's what you're looking for. And I would like to give one tip with when it comes to sheet masks, that please apply the sheet mask and wait until it's completely dry, okay, and then remove it. Let the skin soak up the entire serum. So don't follow the way it shows on Instagram and on YouTube. Normally people do, and then, you know, still it's wet, they remove it. So don't do it, otherwise the entire serum won't go into your skin. And you will always see that when you use sheet mask, a lot of serum is still left in the pouch, okay? So what you have to do is, after you remove the sheet mask, take little bit of that serum and massage, okay? Then wait, okay, do your stuffs and do your regular work, then again come back once it dries and take the serum again, and then again massage it into your skin. This is how you will use the serum, and let your skin actually drink that entire serum, and that is something which will really help you in getting that glowing and healthy and plumpy skin back. And to avoid skin dullness like on a regular basis, what you can also do is use facial oils, okay? Face serum which are made up of oils, like facial oils, use those at night. So these are the 4 common skin issues which people come across on a regular basis. If you have experienced anything which is not covered in these 4 points, let me know in the comment section below. I would definitely help you out to deal with that as well. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and also give it a thumbs up if you really like the content and found it helpful. And you can also follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle where I share a lot of fashion, beauty, makeup, lifestyle related content, and also my work portfolio is also there, so you can check out that as well. And please stay connected with the stories on Instagram, because the stories are the place where I update everything about my personal life, professional life, and all the upcoming workshops, announcements, and upcoming videos as well. Everything goes there. So if you're connected there, you are actually pretty much connected to me at different levels. So yes, this was all about this video. I would like to see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful.